This is the second part of our story activity that we do in the Red class in St. Paul's School. Okay, so what we're going to do is, this is like knock knock knock, what's inside? So what's inside in our bag? Use any type of bag. So I've got a picnic bag or an old present bag. In school I use this red handbag that's pretty big, that will hold our small squishy toys, but it's a real very statement bag. Inside in the bag, what you're going to have is some small toys that will work our fine motor skills. So there's going to be preferred toys and non-preferred toys in the bag. So I would show your child that we're going to be doing the bag activity, so they know what's going to go happening. In school we obviously have like our PEX pictures and everything to go with this. So first thing we want to do is we want to get our hands ready for doing this activity. So I was inspired by the count in Sesame Street for this one, so to encourage children to let their hands be massaged and opened up, like what the OTs, the occupational therapists, would recommend, that we'd massage, deep massage into the hands. So you ask your child, can I have your hands please? And they might just give you one hand first, and then you're going to give a deep massage, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ha ha ha. And then you're going to do the second hand, and then you're going to do the two hands together. So making the funny voice makes it kind of funny for the child, and they'll probably remember it from class. Now some children, if you stop at number 4, they'll fill in the gap for number 5. So again, we all have different learning levels, so again, you know your child. Then we're going to take our bag. Now, the reason I do this is A, it's going to work on their motor skills. The other thing I'm trying to work on is their choice making. So whatever they take out of the bag, that's their choice. They get to play with it for the count of 3, and then we're learning to put it back into the bag. The reason I have a preferred item is that when we're learning this activity, we put the preferred item up the top of the bag, but then as we get to know the activity, the preferred item is down in the bag further, so they have to work through and root through the bag. So they get their item, they root through the bag. Here's my ball, I found the ball, and I get to play with it and feel with it for 3. Usually the ones that I have in school are squishy things that make noises or they wiggle. So all different things. It's whatever you have at home. I've got a Christmas tree decoration here in this house. So again, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and the child might throw it in the ground. That's fine. You say, let's go get the ball, and we're going to get the ball, and then together, hand over hand or hand under hand, we're going to put the ball back in the bag. And again, we start again. Knock knock knock, what's inside? Knock knock knock, what's inside? Knock knock knock, what's inside? What's inside the bag? So if there's just 2 of you playing, then it's going to be your turn to play. And again, you're going to look around the bag and make a big thing and pulling out the one that you want, and you're going to have either a happy face or a sad face, but you're still going to play with it for 1, 2, 3. So whichever one you pick, and then you're going to put it back in the bag yourself. So you're teaching your child, you're modelling the behaviour that you're looking for. The next one that we're going to go on to is just a fun one that we do after the story time. After we finish that one, is a posting activity. So actually, I take the ball out of here. Now we have a see-through tube that they use for that you can actually see what's manoeuvre. You can manoeuvre it. It's to help your skills, fine motor skills as well in school. But I just made my own. You probably have loads of toys that will do the same thing at home, but just as a novelty thing, something new, because we all need something new with everything that's going on. My Rice Krispie box, and I'm going to pop it in, and we're going to see it come out the other end, and they all get a great kick actually out of this when it's in school, seeing it pop out. Now the other things, you probably have loads of little balls and everything at home. I found a potato was the only thing I had, and you can try with the onion and a little mandarin orange. They didn't have small oranges, so I only have a big one, and I didn't measure correctly. But anyway, the loads